नंबर ऑफ इंसिडेंट्स ना, मतलब कि छोटे 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 कितने सारे होते हैं, लाइक लॉट.
So any one incident which is थोड़ा सा lasted longer, okay, check that. और इनफैक्ट अगर बहुत बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट्स याद आ रहे हैं तो just list them down, okay. और उस इंसिडेंट के समय how was your thinking is what you just need to think. इससे क्या होगा ना, जो हमारे दिस इज अ लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस, तो द मोमेंट यू गो थ्रू वेरियस इंसिडेंट्स एंड सी कि ऑटो मोड में ऑटोमेटिकली आपका थॉट प्रोसेस कैसा है, वो आप जैसे जानना शुरू करते हो, यू अंडरस्टैंड कि ओके यहाँ अभी मेरा ऑटो मोड में चेंज भी करना है. पर वो ऑटो मोड में होता नहीं है चेंज, तो इसीलिए इनिशियली हमें प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ती है और उसके बाद वो ऑटो मोड में होता है. All right. So initially, see again, that's what like I don't keep saying things, but if you remember, in one of my trainings, I had done this exercise with the room. List all the positives of this room and list all the negatives. If anybody remembers, in one of the trainings, if you have been a part of that one. So what am I training, or what am I training my mind to do? I'm just training my mind to see the good in things. So the moment we look at a person, the moment we look at a space, a room, or a situation, अगर हमें उसमें नुक्स नजर आते हैं, we are finding flaws, all right. So that means our mind has been tuned to look out for faults, okay. And the fact is, when you look out for faults, you are going to find faults, yeah. But if that is going to be your, because anything which you keep doing, it is going to also be reciprocated from the universe. So then what happens is others also keep finding faults in you, yeah. So that's the reason we have to constantly tune our mind. So this exercise, what is it doing कि ठीक है अभी वो तो situations होके गए हैं, पॉजिटिव हो या नेगेटिव हो, पर राइट नाउ एज अ स्टडी आई एम लुकिंग एट इट कि तभी मैंने कैसे सोचा था, you know and okay, so next time I might just have to take a pause and change my thinking, and then maybe the outcome will be different. So basically you are only checking कि पॉजिटिव सिचुएशन में और नेगेटिव सिचुएशन में मैं ऑटो मोड में कैसे सोचती हूँ, क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि आफ्टर वो हो जाता है फिर हम सोचते हैं कि मैंने ये बोलना चाहिए था, मैंने ये करना चाहिए था, या मैंने खुद को कंट्रोल करना चाहिए था, या तभी मैं ये नहीं बोलती तो अच्छा होता, ये it is now just become a mess. There is so much which comes as an afterthought.
आफ्टरवर्ड्स, या रियली.
So basically what are we doing? We are just training कि भाई pause लो और देखो कि क्या हो रहा है, and how are you handling things, how are you dealing with things. So जैसे जो कल का जो नेगेटिव था पॉजिटिव था, उसमें एक जो सवाल था कि when things happen, so when negative things happen, what do
म्यूट
you
कर
think? Is it because of your inability?
म्यूट कर
Okay, who's that? Okay, is it because of your inability or is it because of external factors? So by saying external factors, we don't say that मैं किसी और पे ब्लेम डालने वाली हूँ मेरे पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव का. हम यहाँ क्या सोच रहे हैं कि जब पॉजिटिव होता है या नेगेटिव होता है तो हम किसको क्रेडिट देते हैं, खुद को देते हैं. तो जब अगर खुद को देते तो दैट मीन्स वी आर टेकिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ the good things in my life and even the bad things in my life. Yeah. Also, there is another way of looking at it, like what I mentioned yesterday. Okay, very often we think success or failure is one person's thing. मतलब आप देखते हो कि कितने कितने बड़े बड़े ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस होते हैं, तो वहाँ क्या होता है, फाउंडर को फेलिसिटेट किया जाता है, ओके. टीम लीडर है तो टीम लीडर को फेलिसिटेट किया जाता है, पूरी टीम को फेलिसिटेशन नहीं मिलता है, या डज दैट मीन कि सिर्फ वो एक इंसान इज एक्चुअली द वन हु हैज गॉट दिस सक्सेस और फेलियर? नो, it is there are so many circumstances, not just people. Circumstances भी कितने मायने रखते हैं, because नहीं तो there are times that something which we call as luck factor. Of course, for the luck to turn to your side when you are doing like everything which is needed 100%, you know then things start turning in your favor. But you are doing 100% best things and you are thinking कि मेरा तो हमेशा का है, मैं कितना भी मेहनत करूँ, कुछ भी करूँ ना, वो प्राइस तो मुझे नहीं मिलेगा, I will not be. If that is the belief system, you are not going to get it. So in fact that is what we I was planning to talk about today. So I just read this uh, quotation of Henry Ford. So Ford cars we all know, yeah, Figo Ford, and there are so many lovely cars. I don't know much about cars, but just that Henry Ford is somebody that we definitely know. So he has said this sentence that if you think you can't, you're right, and if you think you can, you're right. So in both the conditions you're going to be right. All right, it's up to what you think and what you believe. So if you think that you can't, then you can't. So now what today we'll do is, I want you to list things which you can't do. Just become aware of things which you can't do. मुझे नहीं पता, पर आपको पता होगा कि आप बहुत दिनों से कोशिश करें पर ये आपसे हो ही नहीं रहा. आई जस्ट कांट वेक अप एट this time. I can't. Or I just can't lose weight. I just can't drive. I just can't make friends. I just can't go and talk to people just like that. I can't really socialize. Um, I just can't um, travel alone. For me, I had for many years, which I broke last month. But I had this thing. I just can't go and sit in a coffee shop alone. I had a kind of severe palpitations, or I used to feel very awkward, odd, something. It was not a comfortable feeling. So I used to feel that, and so last month, what I did was, I actually went to a coffee shop, sat there for a good uh, whatever an hour or so, had a coffee. I was just training. I was observing how my body is reacting. That I'm sitting there alone, having a coffee, and yeah, it was fun actually to check what is happening. And then I realized that it's not so difficult. Why was I avoiding this for so many years? And I just kept observing people coming there, going. I was looking out of the glass, and so I was just watching. And so incidentally I was sitting in Starbucks, so already there are so many things inside which you can watch, and then there are so many things outside that you can watch out of the glasses. So I just sat, I observed, and I came back. So that was the first thing where I literally, where I was thinking that I can't. I did it. All right. So similarly, there was another thing which I can't. So most of you have been in my proper in-person workshops, and you've done right now here. I think Sushila and Smita are here, who have done like 100 hours training and more than that with me. So which is so they have seen me live. So the thing is, when I'm in a workshop and I'm talking, I am in that flow. It doesn't matter to me. But if you put a video in front of me and say, okay, now, this is being recorded and now you talk. So I used to feel really stuck. But then that is one thing again, you all know, last month I pushed and just went in for that Instagram live, and then I've been doing these YouTube live videos. So it is just to break those my I can'ts, where I felt that I can't. So I want you to think and become aware of what are those I can'ts, because again, what happens is, in life we want to manifest so many beautiful things, but then we have just started becoming comfortable wherever we are, and we just say, no, ye to mujhse nahi hoga, this I can't, and we think that's just okay. But then uh, sometimes those icons are the roadblocks, and we think that there is something more. But the moment you just move away from that, or you just break that roadblock, the road is out open for you to go for a long drive. So i'm just waiting to read whatever you can't. I can't. Yeah, Sushila, you've written, yes, that's great. Up for what?
For what you were never able to talk in on YouTube or on Facebook and all that. We know that
हाँ.
you always used to tell I avoid social media, but now you're always on social media. Yeah, and that's great for us, also for everybody. Yes,
Yeah,
that's
and one of the person who really literally pushed me, inspired me was Sushila herself. Like she's been constantly sending me messages that, ma'am, you know, you must put videos on YouTube. It will be so good to see you on YouTube, all of that. And then she keeps giving me pointers also that, okay, this you don't do, that you do. So it is of huge help to me, Sushila. Thank you so much for motivating me.
you are the main person to motivate me, yeah, and making me this
So it is
Sushila.
mutual, you know. That's what I was just
Yeah,
saying, na, कि कोई
yeah.
success or failure is not one person's thing. So maybe you're
You know
seeing
what?
my
Sorry.
YouTube video, but even that knowledge which I'm sharing there is not मैंने उसको create नहीं किया है. There are so many thousands of teachers who have actually worked and shared, and I have read them, I have applied them, I have practiced, on them, and I've found that they are helpful and I've got results, and that is what I'm sharing with all of you. So that is all I'm doing. So again, it is not one person that is becoming successful. For me, if the YouTube video becomes whatever viral or whatever they call, it is like all of your well wishes, behind it, your will to really see me do good and do better, for with more and more people. So right now, let's say in this workshop, how many, whatever, 10 people are there. One day there'll be 100, and then there'll be 1,000, and then 10,000 and a lakh. So that's what we are looking at, impacting, like, so many of your lives you keep sharing with me. Like every day I'm receiving messages of something. So Sushila continuously, regularly sends me messages of all the beautiful things happening. Aditi today messaged me, Anu keeps messaging me. So I really, really am so happy to read all your messages, and I feel this is just three. What if we reach to 3 lakh people? Isn't it? And it will be so wonderful to have all happy people around us. So let's create that world. That's the reason I'm doing these workshops and things. Like today, Anu was saying that, how much of free stuff are you sharing? And I was like, it really, really is giving me joy. It's such a happy feeling. So yeah. Okay, so Dipali has written, I can't get doses of positivity. I can't. Okay, if I can't get doses of positivity, I can't go ahead then. Okay, so Dipali, would you like to talk a little more about it? So that means you need somebody to constantly boost your morale.
Yes, yes. Somebody wants me. If I were not in your company, suppose, तो मैं क्या करती पता? I used to listen सुधा मूर्ति.
Hmm.
Otherwise, I used to go for क्या नाम है उनका, BK शिवानी मैम.
Yes.
हाँ.
Even I
And
love her.
हाँ, और फिर I used to talk with लोहिया मैम a lot,
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
because she is a wonderful inspiration for me.
Absolutely. Sangeeta
Every
is
time she
awesome.
inspire me, और मुझे बहुत मतलब she is taking me to positivity all the way.
True.
So
True. So
because I
wonderful.
wanted that कि whenever I get distressed, और तो मुझे somebody must be there to take me, hold me from there, push me from there. कोई तो भी मुझे चाहिए कि pull me from there, कि तू उठ वहां से, निकल वहां से. So तो फिर मेरी गाड़ी चलती है मैम. It is like that.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. चलो ठीक है, देखते हैं हम इसका क्या करें अभी. ओके, सम मोर. आई कांट, मतलब ऐसा बाकी सबका क्या है कि एवरीथिंग इज लाइक, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है क्या इम्पॉसिबल जो आप करते ही नहीं हो? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. एवरीथिंग यू आर डूइंग आई कैन. आई कांट लूज वेट. ओके, सो if that is the belief, you definitely can't. I can't swim, Aditi. Okay. I can't wake up early. Another one coming from Anu. Okay. What what else is coming up? I can't wake up at 6 a.m. I like that specific time that she's put that. So maybe she can wake up at 6:30, but she's pushing herself for 6, and that has not yet happened. I can't sleep early. Very nice. Okay. I can't sleep early. What else? So I want you to also think about the fact कि ये जो आपने I can't लिखा है, ये सच में आपको चेंज करना है और you're happy and you're comfortable with whatever it is. If that is the case, then let's not even think about it. So if you're happy and you're, you know, you've accepted this fact and I can't wrap up my work in time. Okay, Aditi, let's see what we can do. So coming back to, you know, this, so if you're Aditi, you know, I like you to come on screen so that we could just talk about this. So when you say I can't wrap up my work on time, do you want to wrap up your work on time or you're okay to go late?
No, so I am happy working, like, but the point is that it's like a conscious thing that I need to give a break. I mean, in a way, I am really happy. I enjoy working. Like without any issues, I can work like 12, 14 hours, like aram se, and I enjoyed that, and I can get into another like a fruitful discussion even at the 12th hour, like उतने ही energy के साथ में. But then end of day, sometimes I feel यार कभी तो balance करूँ. And you know, so all of that, and now that like Ahan is in Pune, I am to like a free bird, like, you know, कि काम करो कोई पूछने वाला नहीं है टाइम में से. So but then sometimes I feel like ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए.
Okay,
So
fantastic.
though I am
so
happy,
if there is a
but
feeling
हाँ,
that थोड़ा balance होना चाहिए, you know, ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर that is the feeling, that means it needs to be worked upon.
Yeah.
All right, fantastic. Smita says nowadays she can do everything. So that's really wonderful. We have somebody with us who is saying that she can do everything. This is really, really amazing. So
I'll say something. I'll say something.
yes, please.
I can't just put my video on. I'll just speak that after we met you, we can't say I can't do anything. That's the thing. That's the main
true.
thing. We can do everything.
That's
Yeah.
true.
This is like okay.
So I said that I can't do it. I can do everything nowadays.
Yeah.
If someone
Whatever
say me,
task we are
you
given,
can't, we do it. Because we are working together, now we know that.
This is wonderful. All right, so I am now looking at someone else's this. Okay, so Vishakha has written that I can't say no to others, especially when I myself am occupied with a lot of work. So you're already occupied with a lot of work, and yet you can't say no. That is the issue. All right, okay. Let the I can't keep flowing. You know, if you are becoming aware, just put that. I want you to slightly switch it and now start focusing on I can. What are the things you can do?
Ma'am, before moving ahead, I also want to share one thing.
Sure, Kirti.
I can't, मैं समझ नहीं रहा मुझे कैसे बोलूं, पर एक प्रॉब्लम मैं हमेशा फेस करती हूँ कि किसी के साथ बहुत जल्दी से इतना फ्री हो जाना कि उसके साथ हम सारी चीजें शेयर करते, ये मैं बहुत जल्दी नहीं कर सकती.
नहीं कर सकती.
नहीं कर पाती. हाँ.
अच्छा. So
that I want, I can't.
You know, sharing or not sharing is one thing, पर मुझे आपको ये पूछना है कि is it that I can't share things or is it that I can't trust people? These are two different things.
I can't trust easily.
Okay, I can't trust easily. Fair enough. Fair enough. Thank you, Kirti. That's a big thing which you are sharing, and that needs a lot of awareness to be able to say that, hey, you know what, I am not able to trust people easily, so I do not share things. And you know, we'll come to all of these. Let's also check, you know, what are the I cans. So meanwhile, since you're writing that, I'm just addressing what Vishakha has written. And I think there are many of us who find it very, very difficult to say no to people, especially even when you are under, I mean, there's so much workload or you're overworking, and yet it becomes very difficult to say a no. This is a very small trick that I'm sharing. And if you can practice this and do this is how I started, because I have really, really suffered because of not being able to say no. You know, I used to feel very bad about it. I used to feel if I say no, I'm disappointing people. I used to say, if I say no, that means I'm not such a good person, and they might just think that they are asking for something and I'm not able to give. So I had various crazy, silly ideas, because of which I felt that it is important to say yes to anything and everything. Vishaka, you raised your hand. You want to talk? All right,
Yes.
come over.
Actually, talking about the same ki when it comes with the feeling na, I know it very well ki I'm extremely occupied with my work, and what comes to my mind, okay, the person who is asking na, it's a very small work. Sometimes that small work is also quite time consuming, I can say, or it creates that extra work in your mind,
Yeah.
but I can't say that no. And
Mhm.
moreover na, I get that kind of guilty feeling also
Yeah,
कि अरे
absolutely.
the person is asking such a small thing and how to say no. And I have got this suggestion many a time कि Vishaka, now learn to say no,
Okay.
especially even from principal ma'am also. She has said me this कि Vishaka, learn to say no. I said okay, let's see.
Kitty also is saying the same thing. So I'm going to give you
Yes.
one simple tip, all right, and start doing that. So when somebody, and we'll do a role play right now, all right, let's see. So when somebody asks you to do something, I want you to just train yourself to not say a yes and not say a no. So basically, you have to do is you have to say, okay, let me just check. If it is possible, I'll definitely be able to do this. I'll do it, but just give me some time. Okay. So you're not saying a yes, and you're not even saying no, I'm not doing it. You're saying, just give me some time. Let me check. So you have to constantly, literally practice saying this. Just give me some time. Let me check. Okay, and I will come back to you. All right. So let's quickly do a small role play. Vishaka, you know what? I have made these question papers. I've made some blueprints. Would you please check them for me? And I why are you laughing? Is it the same request which
Immediately
comes to you?
the first reaction, हाँ बिल्कुल ma'am, no problem.
So you have to now
I
practice.
need
So
a
so
lot practice.
so Vishaka, I'm saying this again. So Vishaka, you know what? Today is what, Thursday, and ma'am had asked for these papers, and it's very difficult. Yeah, there are like मेरे घर पे ना मेरी सास है, फिर दोनों बच्चों का सब लेना पड़ता है, होमवर्क वगैरह, मतलब बहुत काम होता है, तो मुझे ना नहीं टाइम मिला है ये सब चेक करने को. तो एक बार ब्लूप्रिंट चेक कर दोगे क्या? पांच पांच क्वेश्चन पेपर्स के ब्लूप्रिंट्स है. विशाखा प्लीज हेल्प कर दो ना, क्योंकि ये कल एकदम अर्जेंसी में देना है, इसीलिए.
Ma'am, I also know this. I will do one thing. I will let me check my work also.
ओके,
I'll let you know. I
श्योर.
will
अगर तुमको
like
टाइम मिला ना विशाखा, तो पक्का मुझे बोल देना. हाँ,
yeah, I will let you know
ऑल
definitely.
राइट. थैंक यू विशाखा. Okay, how does this feel, Vishaka? I know it feels very
Very
difficult
bad.
to.
I can't speak. Means
Yeah.
I was searching for words. Though whatever you said, it was completely fit in my mind. I forgot it totally, and it was like ki the first thing which was coming, ki ha, no problem, I will manage. 100 of time I was like ki controlling it.
Let's do one more. Okay. So hi Vishaka, how are you?
Fine.
So you know what, I had one small request for you. Actually, मेरे ना कुछ नोटबुक्स करेक्ट करने के बाकी रह गए थे, बच्चों को देने थे. और
Okay.
तो ना मुझे अभी थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, क्योंकि ना घर पे कोई बीमार है, इसीलिए मुझे बहुत डिफिकल्ट होगा. तो मंडे को देने हैं, तो टाइम है तुम्हारे हाथ में, तो मंडे तक आप चेक करके दे दोगे क्या? तो मेरे लिए मतलब बहुत ठीक हो जाएगा.
Let me also check once, ma'am, my complete, because I also have some papers with me.
Okay.
I will check it and I will let you know. Let me check
और
my timetable and
ठीक है,
my
अगर
schedule
अगर
also once.
होता है ना तो मुझे बता दो, नहीं तो मैं किसी और
पक्का
को भी
पक्का
पूछ
पक्का
लेती हूँ. ठीक है,
पक्का. Within half an hour or 1 hour I will let you know, ma'am.
फैंटास्टिक. अभी क्या करना ना, हाफ एन आवर के बाद मुझे एक मैसेज ड्रॉप करना कि मैंने चेक किया पर बहुत ज्यादा पेपर्स है, तो मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ, तो इसीलिए सो सॉरी.
Sorry.
ऑल राइट.
This time it was a little good.
Little good, no? It will happen with practice. Anu is saying I can't stop laughing, but yeah, that's how, because you
But-
have to stay in a good state, otherwise your mind is going to go absolutely for
Actually,
one crazy swirl, because then you will keep saying yes, and there'll be so many more Shilpas who can keep calling you. and you will literally go mad. Okay, so you just have
नहीं,
to learn
and
to
what
say
I have observed कि some of the time it happens कि my own work gets a little bit pending, and I started completing some others works. Yes,
yeah.
if I have time, I even love to help also. That is another thing. But somewhere now I want to learn कि sometime
Absolutely.
I want to give
And
limit.
what I'm saying is, whenever Aditi, I'm going to pin you here and get you here. So whenever it is possible for you, I'm not saying ki do this, or just because you want to say a no. I am saying that whenever you really think that you will be able to do it, or let's say you are able to do a part of it, so message that person that I'll be able to do itna, and that is all I can do. So in that way, you are safeguarding yourself, your mental health, एंड यू आर कीपिंग इट अ क्लियर पिक्चर, बजाय इसके कि हाँ बोलना, वर्कलोड बढ़ा लेना, एंड देन घर वालों पे गुस्सा निकालना, एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. Instead of that, just learn to draw a line. So here you're not saying a yes, you're not saying a no. Right now you're just buying some time and then sending a message saying a yes or a no, or part yes or part no. All right. Yes, Aditi.
So I just wanted to add something here, Shilpa. A lot of people face this problem because they can't, when they're conversing face to face or on call, they cannot say no. So the best, one of the tactics to do it is move the decision making on a chat or a message. So that's a convenient way of saying no than a face to face or on call, because you tend to be in pressure on call or when you're on
Yeah,
face to
yeah,
face. So if you push that decision making to coming back on a message or on a chat,
that's true.
you are at peace when you're doing
That's
that.
exactly what we did just now, na? That I've told you
Yeah.
that
So
afterwards
it's
just
a,
go to the message
small
and make it.
trick,
Yeah,
of
absolutely,
moving it
absolutely,
out.
just perfect. And I love that addition, that when the clarity which you brought, and it is really really important that at that time, and then something, maybe by practicing this is your initial practice. Maybe by doing this later, even on call, you will be able to stand for yourself and say,
Yes.
hey Aditi, you know what, this is not possible right now, I'm so sorry. And then that time you can look into that person's eyes and say a no, because till then you have become okay to say no. Right now you're not okay to say a no, so it really bothers you so much. So that's the whole thing. All right, thank you so much, Aditi, thank you for adding to that. Yes. And how many I cans? I told you to write all your I cans. What are the things you can do? So
Array,
there,
but there are too many icons. Like if I go on,
go
तो
on. That's
बहुत
wonderful.
सारा
Pallavi is
है.
raised. Let me get Pallavi here till then. Till then, others put your I cans. Let me see how many I cans can you think of. Yes, Pallavi.
Shilpa, this thing that Vishaka has shared, this similar thing happens. Now, that was a professional life. This thing happens in personal life also. And this, I feel, thoda more tricky.
Pressured.
That is what I wanted to use a more lighter word. So now just today what happened is I was doing some work of mine. Okay, I already started my day a bit late, and I think everybody knows the reason why now. So my mother-in-law is here and she was asking something in the evening. So I was like, shit, yeah, I've already started my day late, I should do something, I should do. So you know what, I was doing something, I just waited there for 10 minutes and I then left the work and I went in the kitchen. So this thing na, this obligation ki, arey no, I know I have to do this work, this is important, I need to be dedicated, but then I feel ki arey दूसरे को बुरा लगेगा तो फिर ये मैं सही नहीं कर रही हूँ तो
So
this
now
na in
you will have
personal
to, yeah, you will have to learn to take a decision that what is important in the now. Right now, is that work which your mother-in-law has told you is important, or your work is important? All right, because I don't want to say ki all the time you just have to tell her that, look, you know what, I'm finishing my. There are times when we are at ease, and if that is the time when she also wants something, you can actually do this. So for her also, it will be that there have been times, and then you can maybe mention this, actually मैं वो कंप्लीट कर रही थी, पर ठीक है मैं वो बाद में कर देती हूँ, पहले ये कर देती हूँ, तो ये खत्म होने के बाद मैं तुरंत चली जाऊंगी, so what you're doing is you're clearing it, that you are actually leave, हम जता नहीं रहे, but you are saying that you have done this. So what happens is, if this happens repeatedly, yeah, So then maybe there will be some times when you actually choose your work as a priority, and that time you
Yeah.
say that ये मैं ना आधे घंटे के बाद ही कर पाऊंगी, मुझे ये खत्म करके देना है क्योंकि ये बहुत अर्जेंट है. So
Yeah.
that that is what you'll have to learn to judge by yourself कि कौन सा important है, and flexibility तो रखनी है, for both the things.
That
We are
I
not,
tried. Yeah.
because we are not doing it against somebody, we are just doing it so that we and our mental health is taken care
Health
of,
is
and
taken,
we are
yeah.
in a positive mindset, so that
True,
is all we are doing. All right.
True.
Okay. So yes, I'm reading all the beautiful I cans, and I can talk confidently, I can make peace with my shortcomings, I can say no now. Okay, I can multitask, I can work on multiple priorities. So Aditi, I'm sure you have known this, because this whole multitasking, there are two different opinions. All the women definitely multitask, but then it is also there is a lot of research which has been done that when you do multitasking, the quality suffers slightly, at least, because
Yeah.
when we are focused on one thing and doing one thing, it really does well. So maybe that is where we just have to be aware that the kind of multitasking we do, how we are doing, how much time we are able to really give for each of the different tasks. So that is again at your discretion, which one is important, and but it's a beautiful quality to multitask and to do it well, so this is wonderful. What I think I can do, this is so wonderful, Smita, what I think I can do, I can set my priorities straight. That's wonderful. And I can think about myself, I can think about my happiness, I can do anything I decide to. This is truly amazing. If I put my mind to it, I can do it. So I like that thing which you have put. If, so that if is plays a big role. So it's about putting your mind to it, and the moment you put your mind to it, you're able to do it. So again, you must see value in putting your mind to it. So it's the same thing like for waking up. So what are the benefits would you get if you can wake up at 6 o'clock? First list them. Let there be some motivation for those who had written that I can't wake up in the morning. This is what I'm saying, that mm, what are the benefits you would receive if you wake up at 6 o'clock. If you have that clarity, that the first motivation level is set, where you you have understood that if I wake up early in the morning, maybe I'm going to complete 5 of my tasks, or I will feel so much more peaceful, because the world is quiet out there, and I'll be able to do my own exercises, rituals, whatever that you want to do. So basically, you'll have to look first for whatever you want to change, and what is the value added to that. If that happens, what is going to change in your life? Yeah. And then start working on that. In the forthcoming days, let me see if I can take more on this, because today we are already over time, and but I still want to bring your attention to this, that this whole list which all of you together have put up for the I can'ts and I cans. If I have to total all the I can'ts, which I'm quickly going to do for all of you. And yes, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and yeah, so there are about 9 I can'ts. Okay, Anu, where do I consider your I can't stop laughing? Do I really consider it as an I can't? And then let me look at I can. I can 1, 2, 3,
That's
4,
positive, no?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now just imagine if it would be the same proportion, you know, for one person doing it, like even if you do it and then there is the 17th one which has just come, which Pallavi has put, that if you list your I can'ts and you list your I cans, there'll be so many more I cans, so many more. All right. Start focusing on what you can. All right. And then from what you can see, whatever you can touch base on those I can'ts also, and how you can turn them into your I cans, your I can'ts to I cans. But for any given person, your I cans will be much more. Unfortunately, what happens is we get stuck in what we can't do. Yeah, and that becomes like a bigger roadblock. So again, we let me see if I can take this further tomorrow or what else comes up. But today I want you to really list down your I can'ts and I cans. Have a good look at your I cans. And like Aditi said, there are so many, there are so many. And if you start focusing on all those I cans, you know, believe me, that's going to be like a big boost to your self-esteem. That there is so much I can do, you know, that is going to be a huge morale boost. Your self-confidence will really increase, that there are so many things I can do. Also, you will become okay to accept other people's I can'ts. Sometimes we are very, very nasty, very harsh when others can't do things. And we feel कि इतना सा भी नहीं आता है, कैसे नहीं आता है, you know. So that is the time maybe we can just become aware that भाई मेरा लिस्ट भी है I can't का, और कोई आके मुझे अभी बोला नहीं है कि तुमको ये नहीं आता है, वो नहीं आता है. All right. और if बोलता है तो we feel, you know, hurt, we feel sad about it. So let's also become aware of how we are treating others with their I can'ts. Yeah. So take this thing at home today, you know. Look at your I cans and make an unlimited, infinite list of your I cans. And tell me tomorrow, how did it feel? कल सुबह से आज रात से ही शुरू करो. I can whatever you can do, you know, and just keep writing those I cans. And one more thing which you could do with your I cans is feel grateful. Feel grateful that I can do this. I can read, I can write, I can see, I can hear, I can speak, you know, I can smell, I can touch, I can eat. There is so much in terms of I can. Yeah. So just look at that and have lot of gratitude for all your I cans. And from your I cans, see how you can touch base upon your I can'ts. All right. Okay, thank you so much, girls. It was so lovely to meet you. And I'm going to see you tomorrow again with all your I cans, an unlimited list of I cans. Yeah. Chalo then. Give me a number tomorrow. How many I cans have you listed? वो तो चलता ही रहेगा list, but just give me a number tomorrow.
Okay.
All right.
Definitely. Yes, yes. Okay.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye, everyone.
Good night.
Bye. Good
Bye,
night.
Shilpa.
Good night.
Thank you. Thank you.